Groundworks is a noise reduction underlayment that was engineered to reduce sound transmission within multi-level structures as well as decreasing step sound in rooms. It is ideal for Shaw's luxury vinyl plank for both double glue and floating installations over concrete, wood, and gypsum subfloors. Groundworks may be loose lay or glued under floating installations, but must be glued under under dry back installs. Impact Insulation Class, IIC, and Sound Transmission Class, STC, ratings are available. The product is mold and mildew resistant and Green Guard Indoor Air Quality certified. Groundworks extends the residential wear warranty on Shaw luxury vinyl planks an additional 5 years. Refer to the Shaw installation instructions for acceptable site conditions and floor prep requirements. Unroll the Groundworks underlayment and trim to fit, leaving no gaps around the perimeter of the room. When possible, the underlayment should be laid at right angles, perpendicular, to the flooring planks. If not, be certain flooring seams are not directly on top of underlayment seams. The Groundworks seams should be butted together with no gaps or overlaps. For a floating installation, the underlayment may be held in place with small pieces of tape or double-face tape or glued down. To glue the pad to the subfloor, pull back half of each piece and apply Shaw LVT adhesive with a 1/16 by 1/16 by 1/16 square notch trowel, or use the S150 aerosol spray adhesive. Allow the adhesive open time until the glue becomes tacky and does not transfer to a fingertip placed in the adhesive. Carefully slide the folded back underlayment back into place and roll the pad with a lightweight roller or similar. Fold back the other side and repeat the procedure. If installing over concrete, top tape the seams with 2-inch clear packing tape. The floor is now ready for LVT. To begin the installation of dry back luxury vinyl plank over Groundworks underlayment, measure the width of the area to determine the width of the last row. In this case, we would like to start with a full width piece at the doorway, but only if that results in the first and last rows not being less than 2 inches wide. Snap a chalk line parallel to the wall an even number of plank widths from the doorway. In other words, the Sumpter Plus planks are 7 inches wide. We measured 49 inches from the doorway, or 7 full width planks. Snap a second chalk line perpendicular to the first to mark the edge of the planks. Either trowel Shaw 200 or Quick Flash, or spray S150 adhesive from the chalk line to the wall. Allow sufficient open time for the adhesive to become tacky, but not transfer to a fingertip placed in the adhesive. Install the first full plank at the intersection of the 2 chalk lines. Start the second row with a cut plank. Cut by scoring and snapping. The cut edge should always face the perimeter of the room. Work from at least 3 boxes at a time and randomly stagger in joints a minimum of 6 inches. Repeat the process for the rest of the room. Roll the finished job with a 75 to 100 pound roller in both length and width. Sumpter Plus has matching resilient trim pieces, quarter round, OmniTrim, and stair nose. OmniTrim is a transition strip that can be used as a T molding or a reducer. To install OmniTrim, first measure and mark a line 3/8 of an inch from the edge of the planks. Then drill 1/4 inch holes centered on the line. Holes should be within 2 to 4 inches of both ends and no more than 15 inches apart. Slide the anchors into the slot on the back of the trim piece to align with the drilled holes. Align the anchors with the holes and tap the OmniTrim into place. Installation of the matching quarter round finishes the job. A matching stair nose is also available.